Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play UFC with two controllers. First, ensure both of your controllers are properly connected to your console. This is a crucial initial step for seamless gameplay. Once connected, launch the UFC game from your console's main menu. Then, navigate to the Fight Now or Custom Fight option, which are ideal modes for local multiplayer action. This setup ensures both players are ready to jump into the octagon. After selecting your preferred game mode, it's time to choose your fighters. Each player will be prompted to select their character from the extensive roster. Take a moment to consider different fighting styles and attributes, as this can significantly impact your match. Once both players have made their selections, confirm them to move forward. This step sets the stage for an exciting and competitive bout between two skilled combatants. Now, you can customize the match settings to your liking. This includes options such as the number of rounds, the difficulty level, and even the fight venue. It's a good idea to discuss these preferences with your opponent to ensure a fair and enjoyable experience for everyone. Once all the desired adjustments have been made and agreed upon, confirm your selections. You are now just moments away from stepping into the virtual octagon and beginning your two-player showdown. With all settings confirmed, the game will now load the fight. Each connected controller will automatically be assigned to one of the chosen fighters, giving both players full control. You're all set to experience the thrill of head-to-head combat with a friend right beside you. Remember to utilize your fighters' unique moves and strategies to gain the upper hand. Have fun, and may the best fighter win in this exciting two-player battle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.